Weeks after a second major breakaway caused the closure of the Mount Ogle main road in Lawrence, Tavern, St. Andrew, the area has been finally reopened to single-lane traffic. The National Works Agency and National Water Commission teams have been working in the area to restore regular commute, and NWA teams will continue to work on a retaining wall that's expected to withstand the constant breakaways in the area. TVJ's Krista Campbell visited the area today and has the latest.
A confusing scene on the main road which provides access to several communities in Lawrence, Tavern, St. Andrew. Pedestrians and motorists meander their way through the busy thoroughfare, made even busier because of work crews from the National Water Commission NWC and the National Works Agency NWA. They work against the clock to reopen the roadway which had been closed because of a major breakaway at Mount Ogle, the second time in as many months. Heavy rainfall are constant in the area, so too breakaways, landslides and mudslides, all factors which the NWA says delayed the promised reopening on September 12. NWA Communication Manager Stephen Shaw says there's another reason for the delay.
There is a Water Commission charged line, water line, that was broken during the time when the road gave way. And so we have been waiting on the commission to come in and have that line 4 inches main, I'm told, reconnected.
He explained that the NWA was in the final phase of reconstructing the collapsed structure, and by 6 o'clock Tuesday evening, news that the road had been reopened to single-lane traffic. But work crews are still in the area rebuilding a retaining wall.
Based on that information that we would have had, we believe that we did the best insofar as design is concerned and implementation. So we are fairly confident that the structure will last.
In the meantime, residents lament the struggles they've had to undergo. Topping the list, the added costs for transportation. Taxis take them one part of the journey and they take buses the rest of the way. Some make a dangerous trek through a gully in Mount Ogle. They say the situation is more challenging for younger children.
When they have to walk from down here to go up the top to go to school, they're tired. They're very tired. I am selling, and when they reach up by my stall, they are saying, "Miss, you have the bag juice, I'm tired, we're tired."
Even our house too, things happen at our house because some of us live nearby a river, and you know, we don't have anywhere to live. So we have to cope with the water and the breakaway things, and you know, understand me? Give God time because we can't buy the house out there in Cherry Garden and most areas, so we have to just live with what we have right now.
And the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, laments that it has been losing a lot of revenue because of the breakaway.
And based on the fact which part the drivers them turning the bus, at times we have to be signaling them, you understand? And then we have to come to a point to see if anyone coming across from the breakaway and to stop the driver and say, "Oh, and if I even 5 minutes more," you understand?
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.